Hello all, my name is Krish Nayak and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I am super excited to announce our new bootcamp or cohort, and the bootcamp name is 3.0 Agentic AI Specialization with AgentOps. Now guys, this kind of specialization batch we just launch once in a year. Last year also we had actually launched it, and we had an amazing response because we taught really so many different topics. And in this particular batch, we have added more topics with respect to the recent context, recent development that has been happening around us. And we have also included that part in the syllabus. Okay. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end because I'm going to talk about what all things we are going to learn in this, right? It will be quite amazing. And trust me, if you're trying to learn how to basically build AI agents, agentic AI application, even in your company, this way will be talking completely from end to end, right? Because here we have also included something called as agent ops. That is nothing but agent operations. How do we go ahead and deploy? How do we make sure that we apply all the securities when we are deploying all these kind of agents? Each and every point will be discussed, and we have integrated that as a separate module. Okay, so please make sure that you watch this video till the end. There are a lot of things that we will be teaching over here. So the first thing, when the batch is basically going to start, the batch will be starting from June 21st, 2026. And the classes will be between Saturday and Sunday. Like it'll be on Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. IST. So during in the morning times, this is the time slot that we had available. So this is suitable for US students also. It is also suitable for Indian IST standard time, right? Because I think in US it will be somewhere around night. I think, yeah, that is like 12 hours difference. So, and this batch will be going for somewhere around 5 to 6 months. Beforehand, I really want to talk about the course fee. This is 8,000 rupees inclusive of GST. If you are probably opening it from US or some other countries, the price will be a little different. The reason is very simple. You have some payment gateway charges included, right? But for people who are in India, it is 8,000 inclusive of GST. So GST is included, which goes to the government. Our main aim is that based on the number of months, we charge every month 1,000 rupees. So this batch will be going around 5 to 6 months, mostly more than 6 months it can go. Okay, so every month 1,000 means 6,000. So this 6,000 plus GST, it comes somewhere around to 8,000. Okay, I think it is 6,300 plus inclusive of GST. Okay, now these are all the information. Okay, now the next thing is that what all things we are going to learn. Okay, so first of all, just go ahead and click on enroll now. Okay, once you go ahead and click on enroll now, we have created very detailed syllabus. Okay, so over here all the information is basically given. You can go ahead and just check it out. So this is the detailed syllabus. Okay, the entire detailed syllabus, what all things we are going to cover, how we are going to cover, everything that we are going to cover. Along with this, one more very important information that I really want to talk about. The mentor for this particular course will be Mayank Agarwal. Okay, so I hope you know about Mayank Agarwal. He has taken a lot of live sessions in our YouTube live. He also taken a lot of batches in Krishna Academy. Amazing mentor with a lot of amazing concepts he has. He also run his own consultancy where he talks to clients. So he will definitely be able to give you a lot of experience out there. Okay. Now, what we are basically going to do is that over here is the entire detailed syllabus. You can just go ahead and open the PDF. Along with that, there is also an interactive syllabus just to make you understand what all things we are going to specifically cover. Okay. So now I'll just go ahead and hide my face so that you can focus over here. So Agentic AI and GenAI AgentOps with Cloud 3.0. So one more amazing thing is that with this specific batch, we will also be giving you the access of 2.0 batch. Okay, the previous batch that has gone completed, that also access will be giving. This also access will be giving. And here we will be talking about the live classes. And after the live classes is done, we'll also be giving you the recording videos. Okay. So 5 to 6 months, 30 modules, 9 projects, 3 cloud platforms that we are going to basically do. If you go ahead and just click the roadmap, you'll be able to see on week 1 to 3 what we are going to learn and all. Everything is basically there. But I just want to talk about what all things we will be learning, right? So everything you are going to master. First, we will be learning about various agentic frameworks like LangChain, LangGraph, OpenAI SDK, Agents SDK, Google ADK, AWS Strands, CrewAI, LlamaIndex, N8N, and LangFlow. Okay. Along with that, we're also going to use Claude and coding agents. So we will be talking about Claude Code, OpenClaw, NemoClaw, Hermes Agent, Code CLI, open code, anti-gravity. This will probably give you almost everything that you specifically require with respect to different coding agents also. Then we are going to talk about different protocols and standards, which is like MCP and A2A. Then we'll also be talking about memory and knowledge, like how we'll be talking about mem0, we'll be talking about LangGraph checkpointing, LlamaIndex memory, graph RAG, different kinds of memories that can be integrated with an agentic AI applications or a AI agent, right? So that is what is very important, because building an AI agent just with an open source library is very easy. But to take it into the production and show how the deployment is basically done, what all things we really need to take care in terms of security, in terms of memory, that is what is specifically required in industries. Okay. Then core concepts you'll be able to see, we'll be learning about RAG, agentic RAG, context engineering, prompt engineering, Pydantic, vectors DB, agent evaluation, agent security, guardrails, fire, stably. So many different topics are there. You'll be seeing that we'll be doing deployments with the help of CI/CD. Again, we'll be using Dockers, GitHub Actions, Fast API, Bento ML, Streamlit, Gradio. So there are lot many things that we're going to learn. Along with that, we'll be having different cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure, VPS, and we'll also be seeing different LLM providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, Grok, Llama, Bedrock, Azure, OpenAI. So everything we are specifically covering. If you really want to just go ahead and see with respect to the roadmap, so here is the phase 0, phase 1. We'll be learning this. Then the phase 2 will be learning about the cloud ecosystem and coding agent. Phase 3, extended frameworks. Phase 4, production cloud projects. So step by step, we will be covering each and everything. Okay. Now, one very important thing that I really want to talk about. Okay. See, whenever you develop any kind of agents, okay, let's say that this is one of my agent. Okay. Developing agent is, or an agentic AI application is very simple. Okay. Let's say that I'm using a Claude Code, which is like my coding agents, and I'm building this. If I'm talking about this agentic application, this may be some kind of workflow. It can, let's say if I'm talking about this this is my agent A, and this agent A basically runs this agentic workflow. When we are running this agentic workflow, it's fine. It uses some kind of LLM models based on a specific input. It uses some other tools and do all this specific work, right? Even though you're creating a deep agent, it'll be doing all these things. But in this stage, like in 2026, the most important thing is that how do we take this specific agent to production? That is the most important thing. Okay, production. Let's say with respect to enterprise level, how do I go ahead and make it as an enterprise application so that it will be able to serve millions of customers out there, right? So there we basically talk about scale, we talk about security, because security is very important, right? Because this AI agent will be working independently. Yes, human in the loop approvals can be applied, but there are still a lot of things. Recently, I've heard that one of the company, right, an AI agent deleted the entire production database just in 9 seconds. So you obviously want that your AI agent should not perform like this, right? And there are multiple steps how we can basically identify how we can make our agents work, right? One of the steps basically is like you need to know how to apply a guardrail. Okay, so let's say there is something called a concept of guardrails. You should know how to basically go ahead and apply a guardrail. Let's say you have developed an AI agent. How do you go ahead and check it with respect to the evaluation? So for that, you have various evaluation frameworks. You have evaluation metrics, right? That you can basically apply on this particular AI agents, and you can see that how well it is basically performing, right? Along with this, there's a concept of something called as LLM gateways. Okay, LLM gateways basically says that, okay, fine, if one OpenAI API is not working, then how you can basically go ahead and use some other APIs, right? It has a lot of routing functions with respect to LLM gateways, and I've made a very detailed video in my YouTube channel also. So how to implement LLM gateways by using different frameworks that is available, right? Like Light LLM, Portkey, each and everything, right? And within this LLM gateways, there are concepts like caching. You can actually go ahead and apply caching over there. You can apply other concepts over there. You can apply even guardrails and evaluation frame metrics over here also, just to see that how well the agent is basically performing. And then based on the working of the agents, you can also basically observe what all outputs it's basically creating. So for that, you need to use some observability tools, and there are multiple observability tools that are actually available. Let's say one of the examples is like LangSmith, right? With the help of LangSmith, you'll be able to understand, let's say if you have used LangGraph and developed this entire agentic workflow, you'll be able to track each and everything with respect to that particular workflow, right? After doing all these things, how do you go ahead and take this into the production? How do you go ahead and deploy it in cloud platforms like GCP, AWS? How do you go ahead and use different LLM models? Everything is basically getting covered, right? That's the most important thing, right? And that is what is about 3.0. But still the major question comes, Krish, what are the prerequisites whom this particular batch is basically applicable to, right? So guys, for this particular batch, you really need to know good Python programming language. A basic knowledge of machine learning, deep learning, and generative AI will be more than sufficient to get started and be ready with what kind of applications we are currently developing in the industries. I have spoken to a lot of product managers, a lot of developers, a lot of architects, just to understand like what kind of skill sets are currently being required. And this is one of the kind of skill set that is actually required in every companies that you're probably going. Because here we are not only learning how to develop AI agents or how to probably develop an agentic AI application. Here we are also learning like how we can actually use coding agents along with our coding journey. Along with that, how do we probably take it, apply it, all the necessary things so that it is taken into production, right? So guys, before I end this specific video, definitely go ahead and try out this specific bootcamp. Along with this, I have a very special surprise for you. So on 7th June 2026, it's gonna be 2 years of running Krishnak Academy. Okay. And I know many of you have learned from us. I hope you have got an amazing experience. I hope many of you are able to make successful career transition, because our focus is to teach the most trending things and probably serve everyone who's want to actually learn AI in a point that you actually do something amazing in the companies itself, right? And obviously our courses are affordable, right? So on this specific occasion, I would like to probably say that we will be providing 15% off in all our courses. Use the coupon KRISH15. So this particular course is somewhere around 8,000 rupees INR. After applying discount, you will be able to, after applying this particular coupon code, you'll be able to get 1100 to 1200 discount. And then I think your course fees will be somewhere around 6,800 inclusive of GST. Again, as said, we are always going to be affordable. We are always going to be bootstrap, and we'll try to teach in a way that definitely matters in the industry. And these all things are basically happening because we are doing a lot of research and discussions, even with people who are in companies, who are in architect position, who are in lead position, just to understand what is basically happening in the IT companies. And based on that, we come up with these all amazing courses. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day ahead. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye-bye.